कोरोना के मौजूदा दौर में समाजी तंजीमें खुलकर सामने आ गई हैं। कई सोसाइटी जहां अस्पताल के लिए जगह दे रही है तो सरकारें भी ऐसे लोगों के साथ खड़ी हैं। तमिलनाडु सीएम एमके स्टालिन ने भी ऐसे ही एक अस्पताल का इफ्तिताह किया है। वहीं रियासत के एमएलए भी अलग अलग जगहों पर ऐसे अस्पताल की शुरुआत कर रहे हैं ताकि मरीजों की किसी तरह की परेशानी उन्हें ना उठानी पड़े।
The main aim of our society is to help needy persons who are suffering from this COVID-19. The suffering what we have seen, even in the last year also, we had COVID care center for positive patients and as well as negative patients. Seeing those sufferings, what we felt is, this time the epidemic is very high, so we have decided to conduct 70-bed hospital under Siddha, being a traditional medicine, and it is automatically proved medicine, Siddha. And apart from Siddha, we are starting 70 more bed center in our ladies hostel building. So 140 beds. The college is going to help the needy people of this area of the entire Chennai. We don't discriminate between caste, creed, religion, or any type of sex or anything.
After our Stalin sir took the government, each and every representative of DMK or all over Tamil Nadu, going to each hospital, going to each that small hospital also, they are inspecting what all the needed the hospital need. We are requesting to the Department of Medical, to Mr. Mas Subramanian. Through that, in today Virgambakam constituency, nearby one government hospital is there. In that hospital, totally 150 beds. Now it's getting ready. In last government, there are only 100 beds. In the 100 bed also, only 48 beds are with oxygens. Remaining 52 beds, we are getting ready for new oxygen. The oxygen plant also, it's an own creating oxygen plant. DMK government is getting ready for that.